Hello folks, welcome to el canal de Chan Jose. Today we're going to give you an idea how to replace the internal trunk light bulb that goes in this Toyota Camry. The process might be the same from the 2006, 2007 to 2016 Toyota Camry. But today we're going to show you where this light bulb is located. So in case you look in the trunk of your Camry, if it's similar to this, it's almost the same process. We're giving you an idea how this is replaced from a conventional to conventional or from conventional to LED. And with that, we have to open the trunk so we can get in there. So now that you have opened your trunk, you gotta look right underneath there, and there's the light bulb for the Toyota Camry. And right now we got a conventional 194 light bulb in there, so we're gonna replace it with a 194 LED light bulb. So there's the speaker, the other speaker, and right about between is the light bulb for the trunk. That's what lights your trunk up in the dark or at night when you gotta look into your trunk. So it's not on the lid, it's right going into the there's the back of the seat. So if you're looking for the light bulb on the lid, it's not there. It's right underneath that pieces of sheet metal, or you might have some of these covers over or next to it. So with that, let's show you how we replace that. So as we are looking at the driver's side speaker, and the light bulb is right here underneath, and the trunk lid will come down over here. This is the light bulb housing. This plastic can come out and we can unplug it so we can change the light bulb from there. So for that, we're going to show you how to release it from there. So now to take this light bulb out, what we do is we take the whole structure out so we can let it cool down, and then we can pull it out of there, because right now it will be hot. So to do that, there's this leg right here on the side that you push in, and then it slides one side, and then you go on the other side and slide it out. And as you can see, it's still on because it's connected. So all you have to do is then push this little tab right here in and slide the connector out so it comes out of there, and the light bulb is right here inside. So this one is the connector, and this little tab is the one that connects into here, and then this leg, this tab right here, is the one that keeps it inside this structure. One on this side and one on that side. So if we pull it off once like this, and disconnected, so now we can let it cool down to pull the light bulb out of there. So here's the structure of the light bulb. So here's the light bulb in there. It's a 194. Here's the connector, and what we do is to open this and expose the light bulb, we have to pull this tab here away and let this come up. As you can see, there's a hook, the mechanism that locks this cover in, but for right now we gotta keep it open so it opens the clamp or the structure. So now we can pull this light bulb out, so we can put the 194 LED, or in our case it's a D14 from a special store that we bought it. So now we pull this out and put the new light bulb in there that is gonna be a LED. And the reason we're doing it outside is because this has to be cooled down, because once you keep the trunk open, you can burn yourself trying to pull this light bulb from there when it's hot. So that's why we pull it off, and we have it right here so we can pull it by hand outside when it's cool. So now what we do is we pull it off. Now we have taken out the 194 conventional light bulb. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting the 194 LED into it, and we put it back into the trunk. So now we all have LED light bulb in there. So now what we do is we have the LED light bulb in there. So what we do is we connect it back on, and then we can start putting it back together. So first thing, we connect it. So we put the LED in and it's not working. So what happened? So it's plugged in, the trunk is open, and it's not coming on. Well, the light bulb LEDs have to be in a certain connection. The polarity, they have their own positive and negative. They have to be in a certain way plugged in. They cannot be just any way. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to push it back in, put the structure back where it was, opening this structure here, and we can pull that light bulb and then turn it and slide it back in so you guys can see that it works. It's not the connector, it's the light bulb that has to have the right, it has to be connected the right way. And some of the folks are going to be saying, how come you didn't just replace the light bulb from the beginning, from being in here, and just pull it off? Well, the thing is that trunk, while it's open, the light bulb is going to be on. And if you got a conventional light bulb, it creates so much heat that when you try to grab it and slide it or pull it off, it's going to burn your fingers. That's why we pull the whole structure off and disconnected it so we can let that light bulb cool down, and then we can change it and put it back in and not burn ourselves while we try to do this replacement. When they're LEDs, they don't create as much heat, but when they're conventional, they can get really hot, and you try to pull them off while they're on, you can burn yourself because of the heat. But this concludes the replacement or the installation of an LED light bulb on this Toyota Camry trunk light. And well, folks, this was an idea how you can replace internal trunk light on a 2007 to 2016 Toyota Camry. But if you want to see if it's similar, just open your trunk and look underneath there, and if it's similar, this might help you for the procedure. But this is for a 2010 Toyota Camry, but the Camrys might be almost the same or similar. So we wanted to expose this so you don't have to spend a lot of money on taking it to a shop when you can just buy a simple light bulb, change it yourself, and that way you start learning your car more and more. So the light bulb is a 194 conventional or 194 LED. So either one will work, but if you want to go from conventional to LED, yeah, that's even better because it's going to be brighter and it's going to help you at night to look at stuff in the trunk. So for those folks who are watching our video and haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like our video, give us thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here en el canal El Chano José.